How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix the Snapchat video sound not working for your Snapchat account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see update sign instead of open, tap on update and update your app. Then head over to your settings app and scroll below to apps. Here search for Snapchat and tap onto permissions. Here tap on microphone and make sure that you have allowed the microphone access for Snapchat. Toggle on the button that says allow only while using the app or ask every time. Once you do so, go back. Now if it's still not working for you, then try logging out of your Snapchat account and then re-log in. That will fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.